Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling device location and giving WhatsApp permission. This is essential so updates are accurate. Once done, open the chat where you want to share, tap the attachment icon, and select location. Next, choose Share Live Location and pick a duration that fits your plan. This creates continuous updates. It does not automatically jump. To prepare for controlled jumps, keep the map visible and understand that stopping and resending or moving a large distance will create noticeable changes. To make the live location jump in a controlled way, you have two safe options. First, physically move a significant distance and let WhatsApp update. The map will shift naturally. Or stop sharing live location, then send your current location as a static pin. Once you move, start a new live share. Repeat this stop or locate share cycle to simulate jumps. Make sure you wait for GPS lock after moving, because a weak signal can cause accidental tiny shifts instead of a clear jump. When finished, stop sharing live location so the chat shows you're no longer broadcasting. That preserves privacy and battery. If your live updates lag or won't jump, toggle location off and on, or switch to high-accuracy GPS and device settings so fixes are faster. If the map still fails to update, force close WhatsApp and reopen, then reshare location. One key troubleshooting tip: poor GPS or background restrictions often block updates, so make sure background location and battery optimization are disabled for WhatsApp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.